Sugar is all around us. It's in the candy bars we eat, the sodas we drink, and even in the seemingly healthy foods, like yogurts, we consume. But what happens when you eliminate sugar from your diet for 30 days? Does it lead to weight loss? Improved health? Increased energy? Let's find out. The famous scientist and nutritionist, Marion Nestle, once said, "Added sugar is the tobacco of the 21st century, and just like tobacco, it's a toxic product." Sugar is known to be highly addictive, and studies have shown that it has similar effects on the brain as drugs like cocaine. According to Dr. Robert Lustig, sugar is not just empty calories, it's toxic. The American Heart Association recommends that men consume no more than 9 teaspoons of added sugar per day, while women should consume no more than 6 teaspoons. Average American consumes 17 teaspoons of sugar a day. Guess why we have so many health problems these days? Dr. Mark Hyman, a renowned physician and author, once said, "The most powerful tool you have to change your brain and your health is your fork." So, what happens when you eliminate sugar from your diet for 30 days? Although everyone's experience may vary, scientific studies conducted on people who have stopped consuming added sugars confirm the following effects. First, your energy level will improve. Consuming excess sugar causes your blood sugar levels to spike and then drop rapidly, leaving you feeling tired and lethargic. By eliminating sugar, you'll experience a more stable level of energy throughout the day. Second, you will lose more fat. When you consume sugar, the body releases a lot of insulin, which tells the body to move on to storing fat. By eliminating sugar, the body will therefore be able to get rid of fat more easily. Better digestion. Sugar can be difficult for some people to digest and can cause problems such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Eliminating sugar can improve digestion and reduce these symptoms. In addition, it has been proven that lowering sugar consumption improves liver function and help with fatty liver. Clearer thinking. Consuming excess sugar can cause what is known as brain fog and impair cognitive function. By eliminating sugar, you may experience improved mental clarity and focus. Better sleep. Sugar consumption has been linked to sleep disturbances and insomnia. By eliminating sugar, you can experience more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Reduced appetite. Sugar is highly addictive, and eliminating it from your diet will help reduce your cravings for it. This can make it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Children who did not eat sugar for 30 days had 50% less cravings for sweets than before. Let's remember this when offering sweets to the youngest and choose healthier alternatives. Better immunity. Consuming sugar increases the inflammatory processes in the body, which strains and weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to disease. By eliminating sugar, you can strengthen your immune system and reduce your risk of getting sick. It should be noted that giving up sugar is not always easy, as it is hidden in many processed foods. However, thanks to commitment, reading labels, and the support of loved ones, we are able to effectively eliminate sugar from our diet and experience these benefits. Fortunately, nowadays we do not have to give up sweets or sweet foods. We have prepared for you a video about 4 natural sweeteners that literally taste like sugar but do not have its disadvantages. Some contain no calories and have a glycemic index of 0. They are an excellent sugar substitute and, unlike artificial sweeteners such as aspartame or sucralose, they do not carry health risks. The link to the video is on the right. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.